Hey friends, welcome to another quick Google Sheets tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete duplicate lines. So let's go ahead and check out this really simple spreadsheet here. So what we need to do is we need to select the cells that we want Google to search through and find the duplicates. Now we can select this entire thing. For me, I actually just need to select this specific column or these cells right here because I want to, again, just locate Aaron. Now, after I have things selected, I can come up here, I can click on data, and then I'm going to come down here to data cleanup. And Google Sheets makes this really nice in that they just have this little remove duplicates button. When I click on this, it's going to give us a couple more options here. Now we can expand this out right here to include everything from A1 to E column over here. In this case, as you can see, because I only have that column A selected, that's the only thing it's giving us access to. I also want to click this because I want to make sure it knows that this first row is in fact a header and not to delete that. Once we've selected this, I can go ahead and click remove duplicates. And as you can see, it found one duplicate row with using that Aaron. And again, 5 unique rows remain. I can click OK on this. Now this is okay, it's really quick. The one negative is that it does not show you the specific item that was deleted. And in fact, because I didn't select everything, the whole row, it only deleted that specific cell for Aaron, and then everything was kind of moved up. So in the future, what I probably want to do is actually select everything like this. Let's go ahead and again hit that data cleanup, remove duplicates. As you can see now, everything is selected, but I can go ahead and click on that if I want to make sure everything's good. This one, remove duplicates. And again, nothing was found because Aaron wasn't there, but that's the way you would do it if you wanted the entire row to be deleted. That's, again, a quick look at that function, friends. It's not perfect, but it may help you, again, if you have a super simple spreadsheet and you just want things deleted if found. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned. We make a ton of these Google Sheet tutorial videos. We got those coming up really, really soon. Subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.